Welcome to our EasyBilling tutorial. We'll guide you through the steps to record payment information in your invoice in EasyBilling software. To record a payment in EasyBilling, follow these simple steps. First, open the invoice or tax invoice document where you want to record the payment. Locate the Payment Received tab within the document window. In the tab, you will find the payment information for this invoice. To create a new payment record, click on the Add button. Fill in the required payment information, including the date, payment method, reference number, description, and amount. For example, we received the final payment by check and the amount is $100. After filling all the payment details, click the Add button to save it. EasyBilling will automatically calculate and update the outstanding balance in the table. Additionally, you can include notes and specify signature boxes at the bottom. If needed, you can preview or print the payment received record by clicking the Preview or Print button at the top right corner of the window. By following these steps, you can efficiently record and track payments in EasyBilling, ensuring a clear overview of your financial transactions. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.